The new norm. I should start with this. So yes, there's not a day that I come to work without this, for two reasons: to keep me safe, but even more to keep the others safe equally.
So the last 6 months have been an experience that no one ever imagined.
First of all, nobody was ready for a pandemic type of a situation.
I am, I think, one of the few people who've been coming to office every single day for almost 6 months now.
It's kind of topsy-turvy to manage the balance at the start of this whole pandemic.
Initially, it was fear, but the thought of work from home, we could never dream of it. And we said, wow, it's nice, not going to office. Trust me, 1 month down the lane, it was not the same feel,
To start with, there was a lot of uncertainty. The day when I actually wanted to resume the office on 3rd of August, that was my first day. I was not sure what is going to happen. I mean, what all things I'm going to come across, how many touch points I will have to go through and stuff like that.
Till you come to office, you feel, oh no, it's not safe. But when you reach office, when you come to office, when you see people around, yes, we are safe. And here people keep social distancing, people are away from each other, they don't come to you, they keep distance.
When you go back home and you have this whole guilt of putting your family at risk, one day I just went back home and I had my mummy ji speaking to someone on phone. She says, wo banking mein hai. Bankers are essential services. It was very sweet coming from her and supporting me and my profession in this way, in this situation.
It directly begins, from the very first of the main gate itself, where you have to show your Arogya Setu app. It ensure that yes, you are in green so that you can make an entry inside. Once you're in, then yes, at the security checkpoint also there's a thermal check done to measure your temperature. You have to again show your Arogya Setu app. You have to sanitize your hand. The next thing we do is, we ensure that our desks are clean. So I personally ensure that I sanitize my desk before I use it. I sanitize the phone which is at my desk. Once I'm done doing that, then I go and again wash my face, my hands.
Once your car enters, you have to show your Arogya Setu app to the security guy. He'll check it, there should be nothing amber or red on the app, only then you're allowed to the office.
Right from the time that you enter the building till you leave, all the safety measures are being observed.
So social distancing norms were followed over there as well, whereby every alternate workstations was open.
Plus, we have staggered timings so that the entire crowd doesn't come in at the same time and leave at the same time.
Working hours instead of 9 to 7, I used to work from say 11 to 4. But it was focused and you were very clear that this is the target you need to finish.
I personally feel that after this situation, the cleanliness and the sanitation levels are to the next level when it comes to washroom, canteen, our desks, everything. So I think pretty much everything is being sanitized again and again just to keep us safe here. Max 2 or 3 people max are allowed on a table. We cannot sit together, 8-10 of us, and for our own betterment has been very strictly discontinued.
We have created a QRT team, that is a quick response team, which is available at any given point of time for any immediate actions required or any advice required.
It's just, we need to be ourselves in today's day. Let's go back to what the pre-COVID phase was for all of us.
I definitely do feel safe resuming office now.
Now it's normal being back to office.
So, only thing missing now is you guys. So, we are here to welcome you back.
You're much safer here than home, actually.
A heartfelt thank you to all our frontline support staff who have worked relentlessly, tirelessly to make this office safe and secure.
Thank you so much, and now back to work. So here goes the mask.
Dear all, you've heard all our colleagues' videos about the fear, the anxieties of coming back to normalcy. That's because this organization has committed itself to the safety and protectiveness of all its employees. We have released our enhanced RBL Bank safety norms just recently. We request you to just come back, keep giving us feedback. If you haven't understood your BCP well, please do reach out to the QRT team as well as to your HR partner. Looking forward to seeing all of you back in office now and quickly. See you soon.